Hello, hello, all my yarny friends. It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and it is day 5. Happy Friday, everyone. It's day 5 of the 12 Days of Christmas collab with me and Shannon at the Spoony Stitcher. And so I'm getting ready to open up day 5. Woo woo. And stitch markers? I don't know. Let's see. Yeah, so let's flip this over. We'll get a clue. And it says, let's get organized. Ooh. So it's probably not stitch markers. What could this be? Let's get organized. Okay. Shannon, you got me stumped. All right, let's just see what this is. Little blue box. I am leaving for as you are watching this, I'm going to be leaving not too long from after you watch this. I am heading out about 2 hours south of where we live, and we are going to an Airbnb for a youth retreat. And so you saw me wearing this yesterday. You're going to see me wearing this again on Saturday and Sunday because I am pre-recording days 5, 6, and 7 because I will not be here. And so of my opening, so I've got to open 3 gifts in one day. Yay. But you're seeing them each day over the weekend because I will be at a youth retreat with the kiddos from our church. So, all right, what does this say? Sunny Clue, start your craft stitch markers. Did I say stitch markers? Yay! Sunny Clue, start your. I don't think I've ever heard of that company before. Okay, let's see what's in here. I don't want to tear the box, but here we go. There we go. Oh, look! It comes in a little, it's a little plastic container. Oh, Shannon, stop it. Look at this. Okay, if you guys don't know, um, and I looked out my window just a minute ago, it has started to snow. This, I'm recording this on Thursday, so this is Thursday afternoon, about 2 o'clock, and it is snowing. So I don't know how much it will accumulate, but it is snowing here. Let me look up something real quick that I should have already looked up. Because I am going to forget her name. Shannon put me onto this person, and I love watching her channel. Yeah, here it is. She's called the Clutter Bug, and I will put her link to her channel in the description box. And let me write this down with my new pen and my new notebook from Shannon. Let me write this down because I'll forget to tag her in this if I don't. But the Clutter Bug, and she goes through and shows you how to organize in your home. And she has this quiz you can take, and it's your organization style. And I am a butterfly. Shannon is a ladybug. I am a butterfly. And there's 4 different. I think there's butterfly, ladybug, bee. Oh, what's the other? Oh, cricket and cricket. And I'm a ladybug. I like to have my things in bins. I like to have things organized, but I like to see what's in there. If my stuff is in a container that you can't see inside of, like a Rubbermaid tub, if I have it in something that you cannot see what's in it from looking at it, I'll forget it's even there. And so I like my stuff to be out and displayed. But look at the stitch markers that she just sent me. Butterflies. How pretty. There's pink and there's blue. Shannon, these are gorgeous. Let's see if there's oh, green. Here's a green or like a teal. How pretty. Oh, Shannon, these are beautiful. Look at this one. Look at this one. I will absolutely be using these. And I love it that she got me butterflies because I'm a butterfly. Oh, I'll tell you somebody else that would like these. Sarah from One Hook, Two Hands. She would love these. So pretty. And it comes in this nice little case that you can keep them in. I love it, Shannon. Thank you. So that's day 5. Yay! So I definitely will be using these. Um, so let's look on the little flip chart. She said after, we open this, after every one we open, we read this. So let's see what day 5 says. Butterflies and pretty. You needed them. Yes, I did need them. I absolutely did. She has the Clutterbug. She has a really cool video out showing you the best way to organize your kitchen to make it the most useful and manageable. And I'm watching that video when it's time for me to put my kitchen back together. I am going to be watching that video to see how to organize my kitchen in a very efficient way. So that is so cool. So today I went through and I looked through, I've got new subscribers, you guys. Our channel is, I couldn't believe it when I saw the numbers. We are at 2,153. We are almost at 2,200 subscribers. I can't believe it. That's so awesome. So I decided to go through and look at subscribers who have low numbers, try almost close to a certain level or certain subscriber number, and that's what I picked to shout out. So the first one I want to shout, the one I want to shout out today is her. She's called Lalana's Crochet. I will have her linked in the description box. Lalana's Crochet. She has 36 subscribers, but guys, I just looked through. I've subscribed to her, and I looked through her videos that she has, and they are so awesome. Her crocheting is really pretty. So I'll link her in the description box. Go check her out and let's help boost her numbers and get her going. So that was Lalana's Crochet. And now for the recipe. I told you I have one son-in-law. Yesterday's video I shared about the dirty snowballs. Well, my other son-in-law, he likes banana pudding. That's a good recipe to make. But he also likes peanut butter blossoms. And if you don't know what those are the peanut butter cookies, and you stick a Hershey's Kiss in the middle of them. So you can use any peanut butter cookie recipe that you have. Pinterest has a ton of them. So what you do is you make your peanut butter cookies dough and you chill it, and then you scoop it out and you make little balls out of the cookie and put them on the cookie sheets, and you bake them. You don't press them down into a shape of a cookie. You make the balls and bake them in the oven that way. Then when they come out of the oven while they're still warm, you take your Hershey Kisses and you press them down into the cookie, and that makes a peanut butter blossom. So yeah, my son-in-law loves them so much that at one Christmas party he ate so many of them that it tore up his stomach. And I'm not going to go any further with that story. So just know it was not a good, it was not good. It tore him up. So every time now that we make peanut butter blossom cookies, we watch him and we make sure and we tell him two cookies. We make sure that he paces himself because he did not one time and it was not a good situation. So anyway, so that is my recipe and my shout out for today. Shannon does such a good job with movies that I don't get into all the details like she does with her movies. So watch her channel, go watch her video and see which movie she highlights in her video for today. But I will tell you, our favorite movie to watch on Christmas is It's a Wonderful Life. We watch it every year. I absolutely love that movie, and it's fantastic. I love that movie. So if you've never seen It's a Wonderful Life, I highly encourage you to go watch it. Um, at the end of the movie, when the little bell rings on the tree, and she says, "Look, Daddy, every time a bell rings, an angel gets its wings," and I almost lose it and cry every time. But I love that movie, and so if you've never seen it, go check it out. A Wonderful Life. We watch that every Christmas. So I've got a couple more favorites that I'll probably mention in the other videos, but that's it for today. I will see you tomorrow, Saturday. Can you believe it? I'm doing weekend videos. Um, so I will see you Saturday for day number 6 of the 12 days of Christmas. And I hope you guys have a fantastic Friday. Love you lots. And I'll talk to you again soon. Bye, guys.